Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It's well equipped with the features you need: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather sport seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and twin-turbo V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,